This section is really important because you can lose money if you don't do this correctly. There are 3 important contingencies that you have to keep in mind. The first thing is called due diligence. Due diligence is a period of time that's carved out for the buyer to do all their important research. You're going to look at the neighborhood, visit the property different times of the day, and in this period, the buyer usually has complete control. So this time period is where you will do the inspection report, and if there's anything that comes back, you will negotiate with the seller at this time. Within the due diligence time period, you can cancel the contract without losing any earnest money or your deposit. So let's say you change your mind or something else comes up that you would rather want instead, or any reason at all, you can cancel and still get your earnest money deposit back. But if you're even one day late and due diligence is over and then you decide to cancel your contract, then the earnest money deposit that you sent to the seller is for them to keep. The next big contingency to keep in mind is called the financial contingency, or called the mortgage contingency or a loan contingency. Basically, when you get a pre-approval or pre-qualification, it is just an estimate that the lenders are saying that they'll qualify you for. The lenders aren't promising that they will grant you a loan, but it's just an estimate. So during this financial contingency period, the lenders are going to go through all your financial documents and make sure that you are a good borrower for them. And they can either approve you for a loan or deny you. So why is this important? If they deny you, then you have no money to buy the house. That's why it's so important to talk to your lenders. Well, your agent should be doing this for you, but talking to your lenders to figure out how long of a time period they will need to do this contingency and make sure that it's accurate. So if the lenders have to deny your loan and aren't able to give you the money to purchase the house, you won't lose that earnest money deposit. Another note I want to say about that is if you are working with lenders, try to find local lenders that are reputable for you to work with, just because big banks are notorious for taking a long time with their financial contingencies. So you don't want them to take a month for them to underwrite you and then on day 29 tell you that they can't approve the loan. The next contingency is the appraisal contingency. So when the bank is lending you money for a house, they want to make sure that what they're lending you money for is worth the price. Just in case that you can't make any payments and they have to take the house back from you and sell it, they want to make sure that they don't lose money and the house is worth what you're saying it's worth. So in this appraisal contingency period, the lender, the bank, will send an appraiser out to look at the homes. They'll look at what's sold in the area, go inside the house to see what upgrades have been done, and they'll tell you what they think the house is worth. If the appraiser tells you the house is not worth what it's under contract for, then they'll limit what the lender will lend you for the home. If the appraisal takes even a day longer than what you are contracted for, you can also lose your earnest money as well. So make sure that you are in constant communication with your lender, and the lender should be reaching out to you to give you these dates. The biggest thing I want to say about contingencies is that you cannot lie about the contingencies. So let's say, for example, that your due diligence is over, but you're in your financial contingency time period. Your bank approved the loan, but you changed your mind and you don't want the house anymore. You cannot tell the seller that you are canceling because of the financial contingency when in reality you just changed your mind, because they will ask proof from your lender to show that they denied your loan. So be honest and don't lie about things.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you are enjoying this ultimate home buying series. My name is Alice Lee. I'm a local realtor serving all the Metro Atlanta areas. And whether you're thinking about moving in the next 10 or 100 days, we are here to help you with all your needs. You can find resources and contact information in the description box below, and you can also schedule a call to discuss your real estate strategy and talk about next steps. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.